How to scan QR code on Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to scan QR code on Telegram. To do so, launch Telegram app on your device. Now tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen to access the menu bar. Here you need to select settings. On this section, tap on the QR code at top right corner of the screen. So this is your QR code of Telegram. You can easily share the QR code by tapping on the share QR code button at bottom of the screen. Once done, you can select any kind of social media platform. So let's select WhatsApp and choose myself for that. Once you have saved this QR code, you can easily open the QR code here. And after that, tap on the three dots at top right corner of the screen and you can easily view in gallery. Here you will get the option of Photos, Google Photos and Files by Google. For now, let's choose Google Photos. If you don't have this application, install it because without this app, you cannot scan QR code on Telegram on Android. So with that, tap Lanes at bottom right corner of the screen and you will get redirected to this Google Lens section where it has been searching. So it has already been known that this is the link of Telegram. So when you tap on the link, then you can easily open the link and then easily add those friends on Telegram. Since it is my own Telegram QR code, so the user has not been found. If it is of others, then we can easily add the Telegram member with the help of this QR code by scanning through this kind of steps. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips.